Hi guys, it's me Tammy and I'm here with my everyday makeup look. It's just 5 items and this usually takes me under 5 minutes. I'm not even gonna edit any of this out or speed it through. I'm just gonna walk you guys through it and hopefully it'll still take under 5 minutes. It probably will because I do this quick. So the first item I use is this milk blurring primer. I talked about it in my favorites video. My skin does tend to get a little bit oily, especially around my nose, which is a little bit of a pain since I wear glasses, so they kind of just slip right off. But this just helps the makeup. It's called the grip primer. It literally does help the makeup just kind of grip to it. It is a little sticky, so be careful when you're rubbing it in, not to just keep rubbing, because if you rub too hard, then it's going to ball up. Next item I like to use is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Everybody knows about this product. Everybody loves this product. I just add 2 dots. If I'm going crazy or I'm trying to be like super extra, then I'll add more than 2 dots. But for now, just 2 dots. So I'm going to use this brush by Unique, and it's their double-ended foundation and concealer brush. I love it because I start to blend it out with the concealer part. Just blend, blend, blend. And then I finish with the foundation part because I'm generally in a rush. I don't apply foundation on a daily basis. At least lately. I apply whatever's left on my nose because that's usually a little red. If it's going to be a day that I think is going to be extra hot or whatever, then I will set this. On a regular day, I don't set this. The next item I use is this Honest blush. Now this looks super dark here, but I promise you it's really very natural. It's called Plum Berry. And you can use this on your cheeks and on your lips. So I just smile. It is pigmented, not gonna lie, but as you blend and blend and blend, and then if I do too much, I just take the foundation part and kind of just blend that out a bit on my cheeks. But it's a nice little rosy glow. Then I move on to the eye area, curl my lashes. I really do like this for my lips too. It just doesn't last very long on my lips, but on my cheeks it's great. So I'm going to apply some mascara. This is the Unique Epic Mascara. I just really like this one because it's waterproof, so I feel like it helps hold the curl. I don't know, I feel like this is one of those mascaras that literally in one coat I can see a difference, and that usually is not the case when I'm using a mascara. And I forgot to turn on my ring light, so let's see. All right, doing the other eye now. Now I am going to use some Brow Wiz. Kaylee's dropping notes. I'm using the color 6. I should be using the color 5. But I ordered color 6 by mistake because I thought it was the darkest. I like the black one instead, not the warm. This is like a warm brown. I like the cool black, but this keeps my very long eyebrow hairs in place and just fills in any spots that have like a little bit of darkness. And then last but not least, I finish with some kind of lip balm. Lately I've been going super natural. This is also by Honest and it's their dragon fruit. If I want to apply a liquid lipstick, then usually I'll reach for like a Color Pop, or if I'm just trying to go with like super natural, then I'll go for like Oh Snap or Cookie from Color Pop, their lippy sticks. But yeah, that is my very quick makeup look. It's what I wear every single day. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.